You can see now they are talking about the number of moles. The question mentioned what? The number of mole and the what? And atom. So when your question is talking about the number of mole and atom, you apply what? Avogadro's what? Law. You are going to apply Avogadro's law. Then what is the first thing to write? You are going to write 1 mole of that atom or the gas. 1 mole of the gas or 1 mole of that atom. Then which atom are we talking about? That is sodium atom. So you are going to say 1 mole. That is question 2. 1 mole of sodium atom. I'm going to write symbol. Na is the chemical symbol for sodium. 1 mole of sodium atom equal to your Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. That is the first step to take. Once your question is talking about the number of mole and what? And atom. The first step you are going to take before you go back to your question is what? You write 1 mole of that atom mentioned from that question equal to the what? Your Avogadro's number. So this Avogadro's number is a constant value, and they've given us, they said Avogadro's constant equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. So that is the first step. So it is the number of what? Avogadro's number is the number of atom. Now let's go back to the question now. If 1 mole of sodium contains 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23, which we have written, how many atoms are contained in 0.6 gram of sodium? How many atoms? How many atoms? It shows that we are looking for the number of what? We are looking for the number of atoms. Now locate atom side. Locate atom side. You are looking for the number of atom. So this side is for atom. So you say X atom. That is, you are looking for the number of atom. X atom will be equivalent to, so what is the value given for sodium? Is 0.6 gram of sodium. So they gave us what? Is 0.6 gram of sodium. So right under this place is 0.6 gram of what? Of sodium. Now, this one, the unit here is atom, so likewise at this side. But let's look at this one. This one is in mole. Then this one is in gram. So it shows that this one is mass in gram, while this one is what? Is the number of mole. Is the number of mole. So we can convert what? 1 mole of any substance to the what? To the molar mass of that substance. 1 mole of any substance equal to the molar mass of that substance. Then what is the mass of sodium? What is the mass of sodium? Let's come back here. They've given us the what? The atomic mass of sodium to be equal to 23. So we are going to convert this 1 mole to mass in what? In gram. So the atomic mass equal to 23. So you change this one to mass in gram. So it will now be what? 23 grams. 1 mole of any atom equal to the molar mass of that what? Of that atom. So 1 mole of sodium equal to the mass of sodium, which is 23 grams. So 23 grams equal to 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 what? Atom. Now is 0.6 gram. The second line now is 0.6 gram. Will now be equal to what? X atom. Then what is the next thing to do? You are looking for X atom. You cross multiply. You cross multiply. So X atom times 23 gram. That will be 23 X. Let's say 23 times X. Forget about the units. 23X equal to 0.6 multiplied by 0.6. Then multiply by 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23. Now what we are looking for is the value of X. We are looking for the value of X. We divide both sides by what? By X. Then divide this side by, we divide both sides by 23. So we are going to divide this side by 23. So 23, we cancel 23. We are left with what? With X. Then X what? X atom. X atom equal to, so you can use your calculator now. If you are with your calculator, solve along with me. So it's 0.6 multiplied by 6.02 equal to 3.612. Is 0.6 multiplied by 6.02 equal to 0.6 multiplied by 6.02 equal to 3.612. 3.612 then times 10 raised to power 20 what? 23 divided by 23. Divided by 23. So 3.612 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23 then divided by 23. Divided by 23. So our answer equal to, so the final answer equal to 1.57. 1.57 multiplied by 10 raised to power 22. Then what will be our unit? That is atom, because we are looking for the number of atom.